Hello there. Welcome back to Financial Accounting N4. In this video, we want to look at the preparation of the membership fees account. So in this video, we're going to look at particular question 6.2. So this is what we have. So the question reads, the information given below was taken from the books of Sundowns Recreational Club on 31 May 2018. Compare the following ledger accounts and close them off at the end of the financial year. So we are going to look at the membership fees account. And remember, membership fees account, it's an income account. So approach that we are going to use is of an income account. Remember, we're going to have our opening accrued balances and the income received in advance balances at the beginning and at the end. So we should know that we should apply the income account approach. So basically, what I'm trying to say is if it's an income account, we are going to see that in the form of our TO account, this is our income account. The accrued at the beginning comes on the debit side, and then the in advance at the beginning comes on the credit side. So, and the opposite becomes true. If you have got in advance at the beginning and the credit, which means advance at the end, in advance at the end will come on the debit side, and then the accrued at the end will come on the credit side. So this is what we have. So let's just take note of this. So as you go down the question, you are going to see that as we progress with the question, we've got the information part that we are given there, which reads, as a treasurer of this club, we have the following information, where we are given information extract from the balance sheet and an extra of 1 June 2012. Then you are given information that we are given there in terms of the balances at the beginning, and then beneath that, we are given summary of receipts and payments account. Remember, the receipts and payments account is the same as the bank account. So you see that information that we're having in the receipts and payments account also are found in the bank account. So this is at 31 May 2013, very important to take note. And then we now go to additional information. We are also given additional information that we are given there. So if you come here, you'll see that we've got additional information that is there. That is additional information and adjustments from additional information 1 to 6. So you're supposed to go through everything so that you don't miss anything. But anyway, in terms of membership fees account, as an income account, you should know that on the debit side, basically items that we should take note of are bank refunds. You are supposed to have your bank refunds on the debit side of the membership fees account. And then on the credit side, let's take note of if you have got any membership fees written off, should go on the credit side. And any membership fees received should go also on the credit side of the membership fees account. So let's take note of that. So as we go, let's just try to look for accrued or in advance balance at the beginning, and then you can post to the respective sites. So if you come here, you would see that you have your accrued here, accrued income of membership fees, which is 1,500. And remember, we said it's supposed to be on the debit side. And then also we have got income received in advance membership fees at the beginning, 500, which is supposed to be on the credit side. So we can go to the other section and just enter as such. So if you come here, you see that this is our membership fees account, and we are saying our accrued income at the beginning should come on the debit side. And remember, we also have a column for debt here. Remember, this is at the beginning, so it's supposed to be, our year is starting on 2012, June 1. So this to be our opening debt. Then the amount that we are given there is 1,500. So here we are giving 1,500. And then we also have an income received in advance on the credit side. So we are also going to say 2012, June 1. And then on the description part, this is income received in advance. Income received in advance. So this is what we have. So having this now, we can now let's try to put the amount first there, the amount that we have there first, so that we can proceed to the next step. So the income received in advance, we've got 500, so we're going to say 500. And then we can as well try to look at other adjustments that are supposed to affect the membership fees account. If you come here, obviously, we can now go to the receipts and payments account and try to locate which, let's start by the receipts column, try to see what we have there. We've got bar sales, entrance fees, interest on fixed deposit. function proceeds. So you'd see that we are not having anything there that we can put in the membership fees account. Then you go to the credit side, you'd see that we are given, let's try to see what we've got membership fees refunds. So these are the bank refunds that we're talking about that should be on the debit side of the membership fees account. So we go there and put our refunds on the debit side of the membership fees account. So we are just saying bank refunds. And the amount that we have there is 3,500. So the date that is going to apply now from bank refunds is going to be the date at the end of the period, which is 2018, May 31. So this is what we have. And then remember in the system payments account, we have already, let's try to see what we have in the system. Anything that we can enter again in the membership fees account. Remember we said membership fees received in the period should be on the credit side of the membership fees account. Remember, we are receiving, and remember I said this represents the bank account. So it means it has been debited. So double entry that is there is that debit, our bank, which is our system payments account, and then you credit our membership fees account. Membership fees account. So this is what the double end that is implying to all these three figures that we have for 3 different years. So this is membership fees that have received in 2012, 2013, 2014. We debit it in the system payments account, then you credit it in the membership fees account. So you're going to pick 2012, 500, 2013, 9,500, 2014, 2,500, and we enter as such in the membership fees account. So we come here on the credit side, and we just summarize as such. So we are just saying bank, semicolon, then we start with the 2012, whereby we are having our 500. And then also we have 2018, where we are having our 9,500. And then we have got 2014, where we are having our 2,500. So this is what we have. And then we are seeing that we have exhausted everything in the system payments account, but obviously we also have the additional information. So let's try to look in the additional information, anything that is affecting our membership fees account. But if you go to item, let's try to see. Right, let's go to item 4. Membership fees of 2012 not yet received must be written off. So it means the membership fees of 2012, remember, is the previous year. So they came as an accrued. So the accrued figure that we have at the beginning represents membership fees for 2012. And then what was received is what we will find in the system payments account allocated as 2012. So what we are saying is we are comparing the accrued at the beginning, which is we are here. We are comparing the accrued at the beginning, which is our 1,500. This is accrued at the beginning. Accrued at the beginning, and then we compare with the amount that was received for that accrued at the beginning. For 2012, we only received 500. So it means well, we've got 1,500, which was not yet received, but we only received 500. So the difference is the one that is still outstanding, and that has been said in the additional information that must be written off. So 1,000 must be written off according to the information for the membership fees of 2012 not yet received must be written off. So we've got 1,000 that we need to write off, and we are saying membership fees written off should be on the credit side of the membership fees account. So we come here, we say membership fees written off. So remember the figure that we got was 1,000. So we can just maybe try to sum up to show the working brackets. We said 1,500 minus 500 here, and we got our 1,000. So this is what we have. And then obviously we can go through other information to see if we've got any other information that is affecting our membership fees account. But you're going to see that we have exhausted everything. But we also have our closing balances for our in advance and accrued. So if you come here on item 5, 4 members must still pay their membership fees, which means this membership fees for these 4 members has not yet been received. So it's an accrued income. So but we are told on item 3 that membership fee is 500 per member. We have got 4 members which have been paid, and we are having 500 rands per member. So we multiply by 500, and then we are going to get your 2,000. So your 2,000 is the accrued at the end. And remember, when I summarized, I said accrued at the end comes on the credit side. So we are going to the credit side. If you come here, that's where we summarized. So we go to the credit side and put our accrued at the end. So we are here. We are saying accrued income, and we are having our 2,000. Then we try to check again in terms of the one that was received in advance. In additional information, you see that if you go through the additional information, you're going to see that there's nothing that is explaining about the membership fees received in advance. So we can go to the receipt and payments account. Remember, we are told that 500 is for 24. 9,500 is for 2013, and then 2,500 is for 2014. Remember, our year is ending on in 2013. So which means this 2014 is something that was received in advance. It doesn't belong to this period. Our period is ending on 31 May 2013. And this one is for 2014, which means it's outside our period. So it becomes in advance. So our 2,500 becomes our in advance at the end. And remember, in advance at the end, as we started, we said in advance at the end should be on the debit side. So we're going to the debit side of the membership fees account. So we are just saying membership fees received in advance, income received in advance. And the amount that we're having there is 2,500. Right, so this is what we have. So obviously now we have finished, and remember, when you prepare a membership fees account, the balance should be transferred to the income and expenditure account. So you're just going to compare the credit side and debit side and see which side is bigger. Where we're having the smaller side, that's where we're going to put the balance figure as income and expenditure. In other words, we are saying we are transferring it to the income and expenditure. So if you add the debit and the credit, you are going to see that your credit side is bigger. We have got a greater total on the credit side, which is 16,000. So we can come here and put our double lines both sides. So we are saying our double lines, the same is going to apply here. This side in the same line. And then we are saying the credit side is greater. If you add the credit side, you're going to get your 16,000, which is going to come in between the double lines both sides. And then this 16,000 is a greater total on the credit side, which means the debit side has got a smaller total. So which means our income and expenditure is coming here as a balancing figure. And then if you say 16,000 minus 2,500 minus 3,500 minus 1,500, and then the answer that you are supposed to get there, you are supposed to get 8,500. So you're saying 8,500. So this is what we have, guys. So in terms of posting this 8,500, you are just going to the credit side of the income and expenditure account and enter it as 8,500. Remember, the credit side of the income and expenditure account, that's where you're going to list all the incomes. All expenditures should be on the debit. So it means our 8,500 will be part of our income. So this is what we have, guys, according to this video. Those of you who have subscribed, please subscribe and share. We are still coming with more videos. As for this video, I'm signing out. We meet again.